10 Canva apps you probably didn't know exist. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing 10 powerful Canva apps that will completely transform the way you create. Whether you're a graphic designer, content creator, or just a Canva enthusiast, this toolkit is a must-have. So let's jump right in. Starting with the first app on our list, Text Maker. To get started, open Canva and navigate to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Text Maker and click on it to install. Once installed, you'll gain access to hundreds of stylish text effects that you can fully customize to match your design needs. After selecting the app, you will be taken to this page. Scroll through, and from here you can easily find the text that you want. Select the text that you liked, and then you'll be taken to the editing interface. The first step is to enter your text in the provided field. Just below that, you'll find the font selection menu, where you can explore and choose from a wide variety of fonts to enhance your design. Simply select the one that best complements your design theme. Next, you'll find a variety of typography options, such as alignment, line height, and letter spacing. Adjust these settings based on your preferences to achieve the perfect look. Now comes the exciting part, applying effects. You'll see a list of text effects available. If you notice a purple dot on any effect, it means that effect is already applied to your text. For instance, in this case, a shadow effect. Let's open it. You'll see two shadow types, inner shadow and outer shadow. Currently, the outer shadow is selected. You can fine-tune this effect by adjusting the size, transparency, strength, angle, and distance of the shadow. You can even change its color to match your design. Want to take it a step further? Enable the gradient shadow toggle to blend multiple colors and set the gradient direction. If you'd rather stick to a solid color, simply turn off the gradient toggle and select your preferred color. Now, let's explore the 3D effect. In this example, the 3D1 effect is applied. You can customize details like depth, angle, and other properties to match your design aesthetic. Similarly, feel free to experiment with other effects to achieve the perfect look. Once you're happy with your text, click on Add to Design, select the desired quality, and you're all set. As you can see, Text Maker is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to create almost any type of text style imaginable. If you want to learn even more tips and tricks, I've already made a detailed tutorial on this app. Be sure to check it out on my channel. Bonus tip. If you prefer starting completely from scratch, you can use the blank text style option and customize it however you like. Now, let's move on to the next app, Image Blender. Simply search for Image Blender, install it, and you're ready to go. This app lets you blend images seamlessly, just like Photoshop. To get started, add two images to the canvas. First, I'll select this image, flip it horizontally, move it to the left side, and adjust its size. Then I'll bring in the second image, place it on the right side, and resize it accordingly. Once the images are positioned, open the Image Blender app and tap this button. You'll now see the blend options appear for the selected image. Adjust the blend points to create a smooth transition between the two images. Use the strength slider to fine-tune the effect and achieve a natural blend. Once you're satisfied with the result, simply click Save, and just like that, the images are perfectly merged. But that's not all. This app comes with another powerful feature. Let's add a new page and bring in some more images to explore what else it can do. Simply select the two images from anywhere and place it on the second page, like this one. Now, return to the app, tap this button, and select the radial blending option. This feature allows you to create a circular blending effect, adding a unique and artistic touch to your design. And just like that, blending images with Image Blender is quick and effortless once you are done. Click on the Save icon. Next on the list is Text Art Maker. Search for it in the Apps section, install it, and let's get started. This app lets you create stunning text designs by filling your text with any object or image. Begin by typing your text into the input field. Then, either upload an image from your device or select an existing image on your canvas. Let's start by adding an image to the canvas. I am going to the Elements section. to select any object. Here, searching for coin. If you will select coin, then coin will be encrypted in every alphabet of Word. Now go back to Text Art Maker and click Use Selected Image. Instantly, your text will be filled with the chosen image. From here, you can access a range of customization options. Adjust the maximum and minimum size of the images within the text. Use the density slider to control how closely or loosely the images are arranged. Enable or disable the random angles toggle. Turning it off ensures all images remain in their original position. Once you're satisfied with your design, remove the image from the canvas and place your final text into your project. And that's it. Let your creativity shine to craft unique and eye-catching text designs. Now moving on to the fourth app on our list, FrameMaker. This is a powerful tool for creating custom frames. Start by searching for FrameMaker in the Apps section and installing it. This app allows you to design custom frames by adjusting points along the frame's shape. Want to add a new point? Simply double-click anywhere on the frame. To remove a point, click this button, delete the point, and hit Done. Below that, you'll find the grid snapping toggle. Turning it off removes the grid points, giving you more flexibility in adjusting the frame. Let's turn it back on. This helps in making precise adjustments. You can also adjust the grid columns by dragging the slider, allowing you to set how close or far apart the grid points should be. The app also includes a frame library filled with pre-designed frames. At the moment, these are the available options, but new frames may have been added by the time you're watching this video. Once you've finished customizing, simply add the frame to your design. Adjust the frame by dragging the corners of it. Place it on the page as you like. Then you have to upload a picture inside the customized frame. Now for the image, I'm going to Image and searching for some images. Once done, let's pulse it into the frame and place an image inside it. That's how the app works. Now, if you upgrade to the Pro plan, you unlock the ability to convert any element into a frame. And that's how you can create custom frames with this powerful app. Now, let's move on to the next app, Typewarp, a tool that lets you wrap text into unique and creative shapes. To get started, search for Typewarp in the Apps section and install it. Once installed, you'll see this interface. Start by typing your text in the input field. Below that, you'll find the font picker, where you can browse and select a font that best matches your design. Next to the font picker is the color selector, allowing you to customize your text color. Now comes the exciting part, choosing a shape. Scroll down and you'll see a preview of all the available shapes. While these are the options available now, new ones may be added over time. Let's select this shape. As you can see, the text instantly adjusts to fit the shape perfectly. Each shape comes with unique customization options that allow you to fine-tune the design. For example, this particular shape includes different style variations and a rise adjustment slider. If I switch to another shape, you'll notice a different set of customization options. Let's add more text so you can see how this shape handles larger amounts of text. Now let's take a closer look at wave settings. You can adjust the wave height to make the effect more or less dramatic. Modify the spacing to create a tighter or looser wave pattern. Each shape comes with its own set of controls, allowing you to experiment and find the perfect look for your design. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click Add to Design to insert the styled text into your project. The text will now be placed directly onto your Canva canvas. But here's the best part. You can still edit the text even after adding it to your design. Simply select the text, click Edit, make your changes, and hit Update. The text will be instantly updated without needing to redo the entire design. This flexibility allows you to experiment freely and make adjustments without starting from scratch. And that's how you can create amazing text effects with Typewarp. Now let's move on to another powerful tool that can bring your old photos to life, Introducing the Colorize app. This app is perfect for adding color to black and white photos, making them look fresh and modern. To get started, search for Colorize in the App section and install it. Once installed, open the app and upload an image from your device, or select an existing image from your Canva canvas. For this demonstration, let's pick an image from the Elements library. This one looks perfect. I'll add it to the canvas so we can see the difference. Now go back to the app and click on Colorize and Replace. Within seconds, the app processes the image, automatically adding colors to transform it into a full-color version. The black and white image is being colorized successfully. You can see here on the screen. To see clearly the difference we have to put the black and white image and this colorized image side by side. So let's bring in the original black and white image for a side-by-side comparison. You can see the incredible difference from dull grayscale to vibrant, lifelike colors. This tool is especially useful for restoring old family photos or giving vintage designs a modern twist. If the app doesn't apply colors perfectly on the first attempt, try running it again. It often improves the results with a second pass. Next app is the Easy Reflection app. Want to add professional-looking reflections to your images? Easy Reflection is the perfect tool to do just that. So search for the app and open it to start process. First, insert an image onto your Canva canvas. Resize and position it so it's ready for the effect. Go back to the app and click Create Reflection. Instantly, you'll see a mirror effect applied to your image. Now let's explore the customization options. Reflection position. Choose where you want the reflection to appear. You can place it below the image for a classic mirror effect, or above the image for a unique artistic look. Offset setting. Control the distance between the original image and its reflection. Move it closer for a subtle effect or create more space for a dramatic look. Opacity adjustment. Make the reflection more transparent or solid, depending on your design preference. A lighter opacity creates a soft, natural reflection. A stronger opacity gives a bold, glass-like effect. Once you're happy with the settings, click Apply. You can resize and reposition the reflection if needed. With just a few clicks, you've made your design look more dynamic, professional, and visually striking. Reflections can add depth and elegance to images, making them stand out beautifully in any project. Next up is the Translate app. As the name suggests, Translate helps you convert your Canva designs into different languages, making it incredibly useful for reaching a global audience. Whether you need to translate marketing materials, presentations, or social media posts, this app simplifies the process with just a few clicks. Start by selecting the language you want your content to be translated into. For this example, I am selecting the Portuguese language, but you can select from a variety of available languages. Note that this app only works in the Pro version of Canva. So if you want to translate from this app, then upgrade to Pro and follow my steps. Then decide if you want to translate the entire page or just specific text from your design. In the settings, you'll find two helpful options. Prevent text resizing. If the translated text is longer than the original, Canva may reduce the font size to fit. Unchecking this option ensures the font size remains the same. Apply translation to current page. By default, the app creates a new page with the translated text. If you want the translation to replace the existing content, uncheck this box. For this demo, we'll leave both settings as they are. Once you're ready, click on Translate. Within seconds, the app will generate a new page with the translated version of your content. And that's it. Now you have a fully translated design without needing to copy and paste text into an external translation tool. This app is perfect for businesses, educators, and content creators who need to produce multilingual content quickly and efficiently. The ninth app is Mockups. Want to showcase your designs in a realistic way? The Mockups app is the perfect tool for visualizing your work on various products, from t-shirts and mugs to smartphones and laptops. Search for Mockups in the Apps section and install it. Once installed, open the app and explore the different categories of mockups available. This app offers a wide variety of mockups, including great for presenting motion graphics and animations, perfect for showcasing app designs or website previews, ideal for displaying t-shirt, hoodie, and hat designs. For this demo, let's focus on the apparel section. Here, you'll find various models wearing different types of clothing where you can apply your custom designs. Let's select a t-shirt mockup with a model wearing it. I'll resize the mockup to fit the canvas for a better preview. Now, simply drag and drop your design onto the t-shirt area. The app will automatically adjust the design to fit the shape and curves of the t-shirt, creating a realistic effect. You can follow the same steps for other product mockups, such as mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and more. This tool is perfect for designers, print-on-demand sellers, and e-commerce businesses who need to create professional product previews without the need for expensive photo shoots. Final app is Image Upscale. Ever had an image that looks blurry or pixelated when enlarged? That's where the Image Upscale app comes in. This tool enhances low-resolution images, making them look crisper and clearer with just a few clicks. Start by inserting an image onto your Canva canvas. This could be a photo from your device or an image from Canva's library. This app is paid, so if you want to get it and start working, then follow my steps. Head back to the app and click on Enhance Image. If the image is already of good quality, the app will notify you that no enhancement is needed. Note that this app only works in the Pro version of Canva. So if you want to maintain the pixels of the image from this app, then upgrade to Pro and follow my steps. Once you have paid the subscription, the process is easier. You'll have the option to select a higher resolution based on your needs. Higher resolutions work great for printing and large-scale designs where sharpness is important. Once the upscaling is complete, click Replace to swap the old image with the improved version. To see the difference, let's bring in the original image for comparison. This tool is especially useful if you're working with old, low-resolution images or trying to resize small graphics without losing quality. So there you have it. These powerful Canva apps can help you enhance your designs, improve workflow efficiency, and create high-quality visuals with ease. Which app are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks in Canva. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.